Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Now, Sunday is a wonderful day to take it easy, relax, but that doesn't mean you can't get something done towards growing a productive garden this year. So today, I'm planting out some seeds, and I'm very excited as I finally received the long-awaited breast gourd seeds that I ordered. These are a native plant to Vietnam. This is an edible and ornamental plant, does very well growing up a trellis. So I've actually already built a trellis in my front yard for these plants. Let's put 2 seeds in that one. And you know, when it comes to growing plants, I like to choose unique and interesting varieties, things that you're probably not going to find at your local grocery store. So that's what I'm up to today on this first day of April. Just getting my seeds planted. There's still plenty of time. If you haven't already, you can still get those seeds started and have a nice productive garden this year. And so with that, I want to wish you all a great rest of your day, and I'll be talking to you again real soon. Take care.